Meaning of distantly.
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 Distantly. Distantly is an adverb that describes something happening or existing with a great amount of distance or space between it. It can also refer to something that is not closely related or is only remotely connected. For example, if two individuals are related distantly, this means that they have a family connection, but are not closely related, such as cousins or siblings. Alternatively, if a planet is said to be distantly orbiting a star, this implies that it's farther away from the star and hence takes more time to complete one orbit.